times gave you a second chance. Baby, I'm just a man, I'm just a man. No more thinking about you